When fitted, it initially feels slightly loose in the nostrils, but it does stay in place and feels less bulky and intrusive than you'd perceive. However, almost immediately it becomes apparent that it's much harder to breathe through your nose. It actually takes a concerted effort to keep your mouth closed. It certainly does not deliver on the promise of makes breathing easier. If you can conquer nasal breathing, as a nasal dilator, it can just about have a positive effect on snoring, but it's negligible and much better products exist for this purpose. This is not a product we would recommend and is clearly one we would suggest you avoid. To find the cause of your snoring and which product would be appropriate for you, visit our website